Hey guys, it's Anthony from Just Keep It Fresh. Today we have something quite limited. When I say limited, I mean it's truly special. It's limited edition Mustang Mach 1. Now when we talk about Mustang, we know it's a really popular and a historical brand from Ford. And today we have the Mustang with us. Mustang's known for making really cool retro, I guess, really cool performance-oriented vehicle that goes in a straight line, and V8 engines making a lot of noise. And this one is very special because Mustang makes a lot of different Mach 1 edition, and this is the newest and the latest from Mustang. The Mach 1 is different to all the other Mustangs because it's got different trims. It's got special vinyl stickers. It's got special decals that says Mach 1. It's got its own special colors that comes with only the Mach 1 line. It's got a special grille, special front bumper, special side skirts, and everything that you see here. It's even got a special spoiler on the back as well. The caliper itself, it's Brembo, and it's also in the Mach 1 special orange color. Inside as well, the leather has special orange trims. It's also got a white gear knob. They only come in manual, I believe, as well. So the Mach 1 is truly a very special car. But just because it's a special car doesn't mean I necessarily want to make a video because it's a special car. The reason we want to make a video on this car is because it actually comes with different options on the paint. And when I say on the paint, when we do paint protection, we're gonna be focusing on everything that's on the paint. So what's on the paint on this car? You got special vents, but most importantly, you got that special sticker decal on top that has different finish. You got matte finish on the top, followed by gloss on the bottom, and then a bit of matte on the top that says Mach 1. On the side as well, you got stickers all along the side of the car. That's also a glossy black and orange decal that actually fits with the theme here. And you got more stickers on the back and the other side of the car. So when it comes to this, people are gonna ask, hey Anthony, how are you guys gonna coat this car with all these different materials on the car? You're telling me that you're probably gonna put an infinite coating on for the paint, but what about the decals? What's gonna happen then? So again, we're just gonna go back to basic, and then we're gonna look at the finish of the stickers and the finish of the paint. And that will actually tell us what we should use for these different surfaces. Now, for the paint, simple. The customer wanted to put on dual layer infinite coating, which gives you that double layer, super glossy, super hard surface after it's coated. And that's why it's so glossy right now. Now, here's the tricky part, right? We got vinyl stickers that's matte over here and gloss underneath. So what are we gonna use for those parts? So obviously, we're gonna be using the same infinite coating on top of the stickers that's glossy, because our coating for the paint actually sticks onto the surface of the stickers. Now, just to keep the finish the same with the matte, we actually apply the matte coating on top of the vinyl that's over here. That's a matte finish. Now, it actually is the same as applying coating onto a car that's being wrapped with the matte finish. If you've seen our matte Tesla Model 3, a satin black Tesla Model 3 that we've recently coated, we've got a special video over there as well, you can have a look. That is a whole car wrapped by a sticker, but we've actually put matte coating on top. So just because it's a sticker doesn't mean our coating won't bond onto that surface. It will still bond onto the surface really well. Talking about the rims, what we've done with this particular car is, because it's gone for our on top of the range infinite line coatings dual layer, we've actually lifted the car up and we've actually taken off the wheels and we've actually coated the wheels with rim coating. Now, why would we not use the paint coating for the wheels and the rim coating for the rim and not the rim coating for the paint? It's very simple. Different coating have different functions, and different coating can take different beatings, if I say it like that. As in, the paint coating, I can actually apply it on the wheels if I want to, but it's not gonna stick on very well for the duration of the life of the wheel, because it's always next to the brake caliper and the brake dust, which means that it's going to get really hot very quickly, and it's going to be unnaturally hot. It's not your natural sun heat that's coming from the sun, from nature. It's going to be sitting in heat from the brake pads, which is what you're going to be using every day. So consistently, it's going to go up to, a few hundred degrees Celsius, 600, 700 degrees Celsius, and then back to normal when you park it, and then going back to 600, 700 degrees Celsius again. And that will actually ruin the coating really quick. So what the rim coating actually gives us is the heat resistancy as well. So the rim coating will be able to withstand heat up to, I'm pretty sure 900 degrees Celsius. And we've also put that rim coating on the Brembo brakes as well, so that the Brembo brakes is also capable of being protected as well as withstanding the heat. So that's one function of the rim coating. The other function obviously is to repel brake dust and repel dust in general. Don't you hate it when you want to wash your wheel, and then what happens is you're spending so much time washing the wheel, and you're just seeing it get dirtier and dirtier and dirtier. You're just wiping dust from one place to the other and the other to the other place, and it's still on the wheel. With the rim coating, what it essentially does is it will repel and make it much easier for you to have your wheels kept clean as well. And just remember, brake dust is quite heavy, so it's heavier than normal dust. So just because you have a coating on doesn't mean it's gonna keep clean all the time. It may keep clean, but the brake dust, again, is much heavier than your normal dust, so it can stick on. What the coating will actually do is just make it easier to clean. So that's the function of the brake dust. Inside, again, the customer has, and with a lot of customers as well, optioned in, again, for a Mark 1 trim, a limited edition trim. Customer wanted the car to be coated inside where the leather trims are and where everything is that's covered with fabric. So having that coated just means that all your leather over here is going to be resistant to UV and also much easier to not break during a long duration of time. We've covered that in many videos before. You can always look at that. But again, nice interior inside. This customer has made a really good choice in protecting his car inside and out, and has given us a really good case on explaining how we can protect your car that's not just paint, but also vinyls and stickers on top of the paint. So again, if you guys have any queries, any questions, give us a call or message us on Facebook. Again, guys, just keep it fresh.